Good morning, Central Florida. How's everybody doing today? We're over here in Longwood. We're taking care of, trying to help somebody. Yeah, they got a baby on the way, and the previous pets and whatnot was actually bothering the mother who is pregnant. So we're over here trying to help her out by making sure that everything's looking good. So let me show you what we're doing. Since we're running hoses, we got a nice little seal on the door. We got everything down so none of our tools or anything would bother the wood floors. We have the rug sitting right here. All right, let's see what Andrew's doing back here. See what Andrew's doing is he's actually using our new storm filtration technology. We're vacuuming up all the allergens and all sorts of nasty gunk. In order to get a good clean, you got to remove all that little small stuff. We got a very efficient way of taking care of these things for carpets, rugs, upholstery. What do we do for tile grout? Y'all have seen we do amazing work. We just want to make sure that we're giving a thorough, deep clean. So give us a call, 407-476-8.